Dear students, today we are going to see 4th standard maths term 3 unit 4 time. Estimate the duration of familiar events. Observe the table below which shows the time duration of the following activities in your home. See work, starting time, finishing time, duration. First one, brushing teeth. Starting time is 6:30 am. 6:30 க்கு start பண்ணிருக்காங்க. Finishing time is 6:35 am. So finishing time வந்து 6:35 am. Duration 5 minutes. 6:35 am லேருந்து 6:30 am minus பண்ணா you will get the duration 5 minutes. Next, bathing. Bathing 6:35 am and finishing time is 6:45 am. So 6:45 am minus 6:35 am is equal to 10 minutes. 10 minutes time எடுத்திருக்காங்க. Duration is 10 minutes. Cooking starting time is 6:45 am and finishing time is 7:30 am. So duration is 45 minutes. 7:30 am minus 6:45 am is equal to 45 minutes. Next, washing clothes. Starting time is 7:30 am and finishing time is 7:50 am. So 7:50 am minus 7:30 am is equal to 20 minutes. Duration is 20 minutes. Cleaning vessels 7:50 am and starting time is 7:50 am and finishing time is 8:20 am. So duration is 30 minutes. 8:20 am minus 7:50 am is equal to 30 minutes. Next, can you compute the number of days between two given dates? In 1 week, there are 7 days. In 1 week, over another 1 week begins. ஒரு வீக்கில் 7 days இருக்கு. அந்த 7 days finish ஆயிடுச்சுன்னா next week start ஆகும். Sunday 1, Monday 2, Tuesday 3, Wednesday 4, Thursday 5, Friday 6 and Saturday 7. If today is 6, what was the yesterday? So today is 6. இன்னைக்கு Friday na what was yesterday? Yesterday means it's a Thursday. Day before yesterday. Day before yesterday it's a Wednesday. And what will be tomorrow and day after tomorrow? See if today is 6 means what will be tomorrow? Tomorrow is Saturday and day after tomorrow. Saturday ஒரு week finish ஆயிடுச்சுன்னா next week Sundayலேருந்து start ஆகும் again. So day after tomorrow is Sunday. Finding the day in previous or upcoming week. Example, day 14 denotes Saturday. Can you guess what is 21st day? 14 வந்து Saturday na 21st day வரும். See 14 Saturday, 15 Sunday, 16 Monday, 17 Tuesday, 18 Wednesday, 19 Thursday, 20 Friday and 21st is Saturday. So 21st is Saturday. 21 minus 14. It's a 7. So 1 week 7 days இருக்கு. Saturday 14 next 7 days it's a Saturday. You have already learned in the previous class that how many weeks are there in a month or year. 1 month, how many weeks are there in a month? 4 or 5. And year, it's a 52 or 53. See, 2 weeks make a fortnight. That is 14 days make a fortnight. 14 days make a fortnight. Computing the number of days between two given dates. To compute days between two given dates, count the number of days between the given dates. If month falls between two dates, calculate the number of days in a month. 1 month is equal to 4 weeks. See this example. Calculate the number of days between Independence Day and Gandhi Jayanti Day. See Independence Day க்கும் Gandhi Jayanti Day க்கும் betweenல எவ்வளோ days இருக்குன்னு count பண்ணலாம். See in the August month we have a 31 days. August monthல 31 days இருக்கு. Independence Day falls on 15th August. 31 daysல minus 15 is equal to it's a 16. So we have to subtract 15 from 31st. August monthல 31 days இருக்கு. So August 15th the Independence Day. So 31 minus 15 is equal to 16. So August month 16 days irukku. See, number of Independence Day August it's 15. Okay, 31 minus 15 is equal to 16. Next is September. September month full 30 days irukku. So 16 plus 30 plus October 2nd தான் காந்தி ஜெயந்தி. ஸோ அக்டோபரில் ஒன் டேஸ் இருக்குது. ஸோ 16 plus 30 46. 46 plus 1 47. ஸோ இண்டிபெண்டன்ஸ் டேக்கும் காந்தி ஜெயந்திக்கும் நடுவில் 47 டேஸ் இருக்குது. See, try this. Calculate the number of days between Christmas and Republic Day. See, Christmas is December 25th and Republic Day is Jan 26th. December 25th, December have 31 days. So 31 minus 25 is equal to 6. So December have 6 days. And next January. January 26 is the Republic Day. So 25 days plus 6. So கிறிஸ்மஸுக்கும் ரிப்பப்ளிக் டேக்கும் நடுவில் 31 days இருக்குது. ஓகேயா? நெக்ஸ்ட்டு calculate the number of days between Pongal and May Day. Pongal is January 14th. May Day is May 1st. January 14th. January we have a 31 days. 31 minus 14 is equal to 17. 17 days January ல இருக்கு. அப்புறமா February 28 days. Next March 31 days. And April 30 days. Total 17 plus 28 plus 31 plus 30 is equal to 106. பொங்கலுக்கும் மேடேக்கும் நடுவில் 106 days இருக்கு. Next, calculate the number of days between Teachers' Day and Children's Day. Teachers' Day is September 5. Children's Day is November 14th. See, September 5. September we have 30 days. So 30 minus 5 is equal to 25. September 25 days plus October 31 days. November 13 days. So total 69 days. So Teachers Day kum Children's Day kum between 69 days irukku. Okay. Next, use calendar interlinking with patterns. Now we will learn how 60 is used in time. 60 seconds is equal to 1 minute. 60 seconds is equal to 1 minute. 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. 1 hour 60 into 60 is equal to 3600 seconds இருக்கு. 1 hourல 3600 seconds இருக்கு. 24 hours is equal to 1 day. 1 dayல 24 hours இருக்கு. Normally 24 hours is used. But in railways, airlines, armed forces and TV channels 24 hours are used. Normally நாம 12 hours clock தான் யூஸ் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கோம். பட் ரயில்வேஸில் டிவி சேனல்ஸில் டிஜிட்டல் clock அந்த 24 hours clock தான் யூஸ் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்காங்க. Now learn the patterns in the calendar. They given 1 January 2020 calendar. See, consider 2 into 2 square in the nearby month. Add the numbers in the following way so that you will get the same total as 18. See, 5, 6, 11, 12, 13. Let us see. இந்த கேலண்டரில் see 5, 13 and 12, 6. இந்த 2 numbers ஆட் பண்ணால் உங்களுக்கு சேம் டோட்டல் நம்பர் வரும். see 5, 13 ஆட் பண்ணால் 18 ஆன்சராக வரும். 6, 12 ஆட் பண்ணால் 18 ஆன்சராக வரும். சேம் ஏது 2 numbers ஆட் பண்ணாலும் ஒரே நம்பர் ஆன்சராக வரும். See the patterns in 3 into 3 square in the nearby month. Add the numbers in the following way so that you will get the same total as 51. See the 2020 calendar in the 3 row la vara 3 numbers. See 10, 17, 24 add panna you will get 51 and 16, 17, 18 you add panna you will get 51 and 23, 17, 11 add panna you will get 51 and 9, 17, 25 add panna you will get 51. Calendar can teach us many things. In a row number increases by 1. In a column number increases by 7. Calendar la row la oro number add ஆயிட்டே வரும். அதே மாதிரி இந்த கோலம்ல நம்பர் 7 இன்க்ரீசஸ் ஆகிட்டே வரும். சி ஓரோ ரோலையும் ஓரோ நம்பர் ஆட் ஆகிட்டே வரும். அதே மாதிரி கோலமில் 7 நம்பர் ஆட் பண்ணிகிட்டே வரும். சி 5 + 7 12, 12 + 7 19, 6 + 7 13, 13 + 7 20 like that. Next activity, select any month and try to find 3 into 3 square and 2 into 2 square. Let us see some more patterns in the following month. Consider the line 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11. The middle number is 8. Sum of 5 and 11 is double the middle number. 2 into 8 is equal to 16. See 5, 11 is equal to 16. 8 or a double number is, the double number is, or number of 8 is 16. 8 plus 8, 16. Next 6 plus 10 is equal to 16. Middle number adoda double number 16. And 7 plus 9, 16. See next. Exercise 4.9. Find out and expiry date of a medicine given below. இங்கே கொடுத்துருக்கிற மெடிசினோட மேனுஃபேக்சரிங் டேட்டுக்கும் எக்ஸ்பைரி டேட்டுக்கும் மிடில் எவ்வளோ டேஸ் இருக்குதுன்னு நாம் கவுண்ட் பண்ணணும். சி 9/7/2013 மீன்ஸ் ஜூலை 9, 2013. Expiry date is July 8, 2016. See July 9, 2013 லேருந்து ஜூலை மீன்ஸ் டிசம்பர் 31 வரைக்கும் அந்த வருஷத்தில் 175 டேஸ் இருக்குது. நெக்ஸ்ட் 2014 கம்ப்ளீட்டாக 365 டேஸ் and 2015 completed 365 days and 2016 is a leap year from means January இருந்து ஜூலை 8 வரைக்கும் 189 டேஸ் இருக்கும் லீப் இயர். அதனால ஃபெப்ரவரி மந்தில் 29 டேஸ் இருக்கும். ஸோ இதெல்லாமே ஆட் பண்ணால் 1094 டேஸ் வரும். ஸோ இந்த 2013 மீன்ஸ் 9th July 2013க்கும் 8th July 2016க்கும் 1094 டேஸ் இருக்குது. ஓகேயா? நெக்ஸ்ட்டு select a month in the calendar and find out any creative pattern of your own in the numbers. See the same 2020 calendar இங்க கொடுத்திருக்கிறது எடுத்துக்கலாம். See middle number you circle it's 15, 12, 13. Middle number 15 ஓட double number வந்து 15 plus 15 is equal to 30. See 13 plus 17 is equal to 30. Middle கொடுத்திருக்க 15 ஓட double number is 30. Same 14 plus 16 is equal to 30. 15 ஓட double number 30. Okay, yeah. That's all in this class. Thank you.